In this video, I'll show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome and set your preferred search engine back to Google or any other option you like. This works on both Windows and macOS. Let's go step by step. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings page, click on Search Engine from the left sidebar. Under Search Engine Used in the address bar, make sure it's set to Google or your preferred search engine. If Yahoo is selected, click the drop-down and change it. Next, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Find Yahoo in the list, click the three dots next to it and choose Remove. Now in the left sidebar, click on Startup. Here you'll see three options. 1 is Open the new tab page, 2, Continue where you left off, or 3, Open a specific page or set of pages. If Yahoo is opening automatically, it's usually because option number 3 is selected. So, select Open the new tab page or choose Continue where you left off. If you prefer using option 3, make sure Yahoo is not listed there. If Yahoo appears in the list, click the three dots next to Yahoo, select Remove. You can also click Add a new page and enter a safe homepage like https://www.google.com. Now go back to the main menu by clicking the three dots again. Click on Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Carefully check all installed extensions. If you see any extension related to Yahoo, Search Tools, or anything suspicious you don't recognize, click Remove to uninstall it. Still in Settings, scroll down and click Reset Settings. Then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This will remove unwanted search changes without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords. Close Chrome completely, reopen it, and search from the address bar. If everything was done correctly, Yahoo should be gone. That's it. You've successfully removed Yahoo from Chrome. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more quick and easy browser fixes.